Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to translate a two-word translation from a command line in an offline mode. First, we're going to install a dictionary server and then make use of a free dictionary database for a word translation. So the first step will be installing a dictionary server. So the dictionary server has been installed. So the next will be installing a translation database. For example, if you want to translate from English to French, then you can run this command. Now the English to French translation dictionary database has been installed. You can even use some other languages. Here I am using a Spanish here. So now the Spanish translation is also installed. Now you can view a list of databases using this command. So these are the two databases available in this machine now. Now we can use a particular database. For example, for English to Spanish translation, we can run this command. From English to Spanish translation has been done. Now let's try for English to French. So now you can see the English to French translation for the word hello. So this is how we can translate two-word translation from the command line terminal using a dictionary server and a free dictionary database. I hope this is useful. So we will see more videos in the upcoming days. Thank you for watching this. Hey, if you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. For more videos, please do visit www.linuxhelp.com and also mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for further queries.